When you find the engulfing pattern after a reversal pattern, there is the reversal pattern evening star. After a
Okay.
evening star, when evening star unfold and you find a pullback area, after a pullback area you find this engulfing, the next candle will not retrace, it will goes down. Okay, after a pattern, it means after a pattern, when this pattern unfold on the pullback area, you find a piercing line pattern or bullish harami pattern. After a piercing line and bullish harami pattern or any other pattern, any bullish pattern on the pullback, because we are uh, the trend is making a downtrend, the new trend is establishing the downtrend, and the downtrend which pattern we will see for the direction, change direction in the trend, the bullish patterns. Okay, in the bullish
Mhm.
pattern, if we find here hammer, pin bar, piercing line pattern, spinning top, something like the bullish patterns. Okay, three black throws, the three white soldiers, not black rows. So when we find and this pattern does not unfold, again we find the bearish engulfing or something bearish pattern. So after the bearish pattern, the next candle will not retrace back, just get a rejection and it will goes down. This is a sign of trend continuation. When we find
Mhm.
one pattern and again find on the next candle another pattern, we skip the one pattern and follow the next pattern. Okay,
Mhm.
so this is, and now if this candle white close on this and you find a rejection here, the next candlestick
Next
will
one
go
goes
down.
up.
Yes, but no rejection, and still it crossed this level and
Mhm.
very strong candle. This is the sign that next candlestick will goes down. And now, why this candlestick goes down? There is a reason. The reason is that the lower high and this is the lower low before a pattern or with a pattern. The next candle, when two candles are very strong, the next candle will be weak candle. Look at this is the weak candle. It start and close here, and this is the, because this is the bearish inverted bearish hammer. The bearish hammer psychology is weak candle. It's not a strong candle because there is a buyer pressure from here to here. Two times buyer
Mhm.
pressure and one time is body. So this is the weak candle. So that's why this candlestick going down. After this candle, if there is any key level, if there is any level, or
It will go up
it
next one.
will go up. If there is no any key level, nothing. If there is a key level here, okay. If
It
there is a
goes up,
key
then
level
goes
here,
up.
when you find a key level in here, and
Mhm.
try right start from this level above the key level, it will goes up.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes we
Uh-huh.
find a jumps, so in
Yes.
this case, we don't find a jump. Yes, but price start from this level, and there is no any key level. That's why the price is going more down. Buyer tried, but the price is going down. Now the 1 week, 2 week, it shows the tweezer bottom. When you find 2 weeks on the same body, same level, look like these can what are the candles look like? It's not important, but the wick 2 week on the same candle, it shows the tweezer bottom. When you find the tweezer bottom, it is a bullish sign, the reversal pattern that the next candle will goes up. So look at here, the next candle, the bullish bar goes up. Okay,
Mhm.
so if
Yeah.
you find 2 week on the top and white clothes on the same level, but the level no difference between two levels. Okay,
Mhm.
no difference on the same level. We cannot say if this is here and this is going up, so this is not a tweezer bottom, a tweezer top. So this candle is a tweezer top. Maybe it's look like that. Maybe it can be this type of candle, one green, one red. Okay,
Then also
maybe
here we have same that one. See, in this blue area, okay,
yeah.
which there is engulfing on the left side. If you see the these weeks and shadows, they are exactly close at same level.
The resonance
Yes,
goes up.
this one goes up. Yeah, I see.
So most of the people, they know that this is the tweezer top pattern, tweezer bottom or tweezer top pattern, but they don't know that this is a shape, this is a concept, this is the clear picture of the concept that everyone can understand this picture. Okay, so we need concept only, we don't need any picture. If we understand the concept, then we don't need the picture. Okay, so the concept is clear here. Okay, the next candlestick goes up, the concept is clear here, next candlestick goes up.
Yeah.
So this is the concept about these things, that if you find these type of things, so then it will cover all the things. Okay, now we are going to the, who sent this picture?
I don't know.
Oh, these are other students, they sending these pictures. Okay. Okay, now another thing, what to understand and how to follow. When you go in the market and open an application, the one thing you will keep in your mind that which trend is running on. Okay, which trend is running on. After that, when each and every candlestick closing, when each and every candlestick is closing, you first your think in the mind if there is any breakout of the key level. The key level can be these lines, the key level can be these wicks. With these wicks, look at. When this candle close, keep in mind, oh, the breakout happened. So the study is, when breakout happen, you don't have to trade, wait, price come to this level, put option on this level, on this line, above the line, 100% it will goes down. So when you take entry from here, and if you take entry from here, which is very better? This entry is too much better, because this entry will give you confidence. This entry will give you safety. So we always want safety. So safety is very important. The safety can become from where we place an entry point. So entry point is very important. Okay. So in another scenario, the breakout is happen here. So I wait for this entry point or wait for the another entry point. This is the psychology of understanding the breakout. So there is another round number here. Okay. So now I get a breakout happen here, but the round number is here. So another breakout happen here. So I follow this breakout also. When the price touching the level, so I place a put option here. When touching and rejecting, the next candlestick goes down. Look at now another example in this same candle. When the price crossing this level, a breakout happen. So when a breakout happen, if we blindly trade here, so this will go in the loss, because when breakout happen, we wait 5 to 10 seconds that we can understand the market. What is market doing? The price is opening above from this level. Okay, there is no wick, there is nothing else. This gives us a sense that we are going down.
Yeah.
But we get a pattern. We get a pattern. When we get any type of pattern, after a pattern, a retracement or rejection is very necessary. So we cannot blindly go in any trade when we find any pattern. This is not an excitement that if we find any pattern, then now blindly can we place a put option or call option after a pattern. Pattern give us a sign. When pattern appears, pattern says wait for the rejection, wait for the retracement. Okay, every pattern, every candlestick pattern, when appear, the pattern psychology says wait for the retracement and rejection. I have a pattern says I have a key level. And pattern always says I have a key level. Wait, when the next price come to my key level, then place a call or put option on the key level. I will be save you from the market. So this is the psychology of pattern and how pattern talks us. This all type of pattern talks us that when you find any, when you see me, when you look at me in chart, I'm appearing. So I'm saying you that wait for the key level. I am the next price will coming on the key level. I will give you entry point from that key level. So this is the psychology of the pattern. So the pattern is appeared here. It means the pattern has appeared here. Now, what are the key levels of the patterns? The key levels are these things. Because this price, opening price is opening above this closing price. So this is a key level, these two key levels. Look at when the price is come here, you place a put option here, place a put option here. So what this pattern save us? Okay, and the price is closing below these lines. So the main thing about our study to understand the entry point where we enter the entry. So if we know each and everything, you know the engulfing meaning, you know the every pattern, how to trade the every pattern, but you don't have skills about the entry point. It means you are doing nothing. So these things are very important, very common in the trading style. So it's very good that when we start the lesson, before starting the lesson, we talk some about on the market, because these things sometimes I never talk with other students, because when they come, I immediately start the lesson. But I, because those people, those students who are working hard, and they, it's a very good for me that my students are following me, they're completing my works, they are very sincere with me and their studies. So it's so it's their right that I give them more things in the what in written in the course, but those people will get more things from me. Okay.
Yeah, very good.
Yes. Okay, now we are moving to the lesson. So today lesson is on the dojis. Most of the people, most of the traders, they did not give importance to the doji. But if you ask from me, these dojis are magic in the market. These dojis are the magic in the market. These dojis give us a lot of information about the past 5 days, about the past 15 days, about the past 20 days, about the past 1 month. So what a doji this? This doji just give us information about past 1 month. No any pattern gave us information about the past 1 month, past 5 days, 5 6 days, 5 7 days. They give us a recent information, but this doji give us accurate information from the past days. And these dojis are very informative. When you find in the market, when you are running, when you are trading in the market, and if you find a doji, this doji is a big sign. So trend is going to continue, our trend is going to enough, and the next price will going down, and the next price will going up, and how the strength of the trend. This doji give us a lot of information in the market. So we have to understand these information about the dojis. When doji come, it is a when we are going uh, uh, in a visit or on the transport or something like that. If fuel, uh, when fuel is going to enough, a meter give us information that the fuel is now going to enough. So this is the fuel, this is the meter. When we are in the way, that these meter give us information that what is happening now, what is happening now, what is happening in the coming few minutes, what is happening in this trend. So these are the meters of the trading. So the visible information in these candles, the visible information for all people, they only know about the doji. There is a this high and low, and this and this and this. These are the visible points. Every trader know. But the hidden points of these things, I think most of the people don't know. I give you the information. What are the hidden information in this doji? So when you find this type of doji, all the information is in diffusion. Okay, all the information in these four dojis are the indecision. The meaning is the indecision. In this prime of period, no win here. But the other information which most of the people don't know, now I'm going to tell you that in this information, the price starts from here. 50% buyer's pride, 50% seller's pride. It means their force is 50-50%. Okay?
Yeah.
The force is 50-50%. So the next candle will continue the trend. Okay? The next candle from this level, if we are coming from the uptrend, the next candlestick will goes up. Okay? If you are coming from the downtrend and you find a doji, the next candlestick will goes down 90%, 90%, 95%. From if you are in the uptrend, if you are in the strong uptrend, or if you are in the strong downtrend. So this is the sign of continuation. When you are coming from this level to this level, coming, find a doji, it is a sign. Doji says buyers come here, buyers start the price, change the direction of the price, but buyers are unable. So buyers are unable. When buyers try to change the direction of the price, these sellers make a war with these buyers, and at the end there is an indecision. It means buyer not win. When buyer not win, we follow these trend. These sellers, the sellers will again continue from this price to this price. Maybe it's going down, but if you find a strong point, a strong point, a strong candle after this doji, so this is a sign of continuation. If you find a weak sellers, it means now these buyers give a tough time to these sellers, so now these sellers are not interested more to go down, and the next price will can be go from this level. So this is indecision. This is the sign that another force come to this level and try to change the direction. In this, the force is 50-50%. Okay. And now in this doji, what is this in? The same, the force is 50-50%, but the main force is because the price was here. Okay, we are coming from the uptrend. The price was here. Who tried more? Who tried more? The sellers tried more, because sellers make a new lower low in this period. Okay, buyers did not make any higher high in this period. If this candle goes up, it means the buyers also make a higher high, but the buyers not make a higher high. Only sellers make a new lower low. This is the sign that sellers have more power, but at the end these buyers equal this candle. It means the power goes to equal. But in this shape, we found a pressure only from the sellers. Yes, buyers start from this level, but sellers are here. So in this case, when you find this candle, get this type of candle, the most of the chances is the reversal sign from reversal sign uh, or continuation sign. It depends upon the trend. If you find there is any level on this type, if the level is above, the candlestick goes down. If the level is below, candlestick goes up. This is the when we go in the next chart, I will teach you how to trade these dojis. After that, this is also a sign that the sellers are interested here more. They push the price down. The price stops on the same level. This is also the force from two levels, two lines. So these are the dojis, and the dojis are very important when you find in the trend. But if you find the doji in the ranging market, so there are three scenarios: downtrend, uptrend, and the ranging market. And if you find the dojis in the ranging market, this doji ranging market give us a magic. So before starting this magic, I want to excite you that how it is a magic. Just look at this picture. How many opportunities you can get from the dojis? Look at everything I wrote down, everything I share with the peoples, but people are unaware about the education, about the market, that how we can trade the market. Look at, we are in the ranging market, we find a doji here. This type of doji. I plot a line lower low, higher high. Okay? And this line is plotting. Look at, when price come to this higher high, it goes down. One opportunity. Okay? When price come to this level, going down. 2 opportunity, 3 opportunity, 4 opportunity. Okay? 5 rejection opportunity, 6 rejection opportunity, 7 reversal opportunity. When again come reversal opportunity, 8. When price come and near to this level, this price goes up and reject from this level, this opportunity, the breakout again come down, this opportunity. And if we come and we find another doji here, look at, when price come up and goes down, touch this level and goes up, one opportunity here. Come breakout happen and stop on that and this key level, we find at this level. Again price come and reject on this level and stop on this level, the next opportunity. Again price goes up, goes down, again opportunity. Look at only the 2 doji. I follow only 2 doji, no pattern, nothing any else, just a doji, support and resistance. How many opportunities I take from this 30 minute? It means 10 opportunities, accurate opportunities. So these dojis are very reliable in the support and resistance. These are the magic. Look at what I wrote here. Draw horizontal lines on high and low point of doji, any kind of doji, then see the magic. So it's the magic. After the next handle, look at reliable support and resistance binary options. Draw horizontal lines above high and low point. Look at how I highlight these things. How much I highlight these things. This is the clear sign that how the trader can follow these things. But no one still asked me this question when I think 1 month before I published these pictures. But no one is still concentrated on these pictures. That what is in these pictures, because the people have no education about these things. Find a doji, little doji. We are in the coming in the uptrend. I told you before that we are coming in the uptrend, and if you find a doji, this is a sign of continuation, and the next industry goes up, Okay, but now we find a doji support level here. The doji support level, the price when come to this level stops here. The next industry goes up. Stop here, goes up. Again stop here, goes up. Again stop. Look at the reaction. Again doji found reaction. Right start on the support level. Again here doji found reaction. So this is the doji support and resistance. It means now we have cleared 4 dojis plus support and resistance. But how to trade these dojis? Now we are moving in the next slide. So I will send you these pictures also. Okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Very good.
It's very when you studying these things, so you have to study. Another picture I will send you from this group also. These all analysis I share here. You can take the screenshots from this group also. When I share something, there is a too much meaning, too much information on that picture. Because I'm not just sharing the information, just the pictures. There is a too much information. Look at, and that this is a learning process. In the learning process, you concentrate on these things. Look at now here. This is the doji. Look at, in this picture, what I'm saying, a evening star. So your topic tomorrow will come about the evening star. So you can download this picture. Evening star pattern appeared. Wait for the retracement. Candle maybe 1 or 2, sometimes 3 in the retracement. Put trade for upcoming bearish trend. Everything is clear here. Candlestick chart analysis. How to do a chart analysis. Everything is clear, very in a written way. Engulfing, higher low, higher high, call trade, higher high, lower low, call trade, SNR, reversal, pullback, key levels. So what are these all things, retracements, evening star, all the patterns, just use the mind, everything is clear here. Everything is talking with you. These are the things. Look at another, yeah, this pattern. This is another analysis of the chart. This is another guy who analyzed. So these are all things. Now, okay, now we are moving to these dojis, and now, so these are the support and resistance levels, and this trading of the dojis are same as the trading as the inverted hammer, every other patterns. All the patterns are trading same. Just we follow the key levels. Then where key level is appearing, where key level is plotting the area. So just there are the understanding about the key levels. Pattern can be traded same way. No any difference. No any other psychology about the trading the patterns. So just we here get when you find a doji, if there is any reversal, if you find a look like, if you find a wick and you find a doji, the next candlestick will go up. This is one technique. Another technique, if nothing any else here, this doji is opens here, okay, and there is no any other support and resistance in the past in this closing price, opening closing price of the doji. If there is nothing any level, the next candlestick goes down, but there is a level, the next candlestick goes up. Very clear. So just we find the opening and the level on the opening and closing price of the doji. But most of the time, 90% when you find a doji before candle, if you find a doji here, you are coming from the downtrend and you find a doji, if there is no any wick in this candle from the below, from the bottom side, the next candlestick will goes down. Okay. If you find a wick here, the next candlestick goes up. Just imagine and look at the pictures. If this wick is here, look at, but keep in mind, where is the wick lower point? If the wick lower point is below, is near to this, that time don't place a call option here. That time place a put option because there is a gap between these key levels. Okay, so wick only, this wick is showing this opening price of doji. It's covering just a closing opening price. Okay, if wick is bigger and doji is here, it will go down. Understand my concept?
Yeah, I know.
Yes. Again, I clear this thing. You know why my teaching way is very different from other teachers? Because in our Pakistan country, this is the way when I was studying from one class to university level, all the teachers teach me in this way. So that's why this is the way I adopted from my teachers. So most of the every country have different way of the teaching of the teachers. So in our country, this is the way that when they teach anything, they get it clear. Too much talking on that same thing, not talking on one time. No, 10 times, 15 times, 16 times, 20 times. When the in front of other students, when students say, "Okay, everything is clear now, go on." So then we go on. So this is way in our country, and I get way this way from my teachers. That's why I'm talking too much on everything. This
It's
look.
very good way.
Yes, because if I say when I start from here as a reading the book, and one time everything is I just reading. At the end, I say wish you all the best. Now go for the practice. Then at the end, you will never understand anything. But this is the way when I say when I more talk on 20-minute talk on this doji just on this evening this point, it will forcefully I'm putting this information in your mind.
Yeah.
So this is the thing. Look at now. This wick must be shorter, not a longer wick. It means the level is here, not here. Okay. So now you can understand this thing.
But one thing, Mr. Saab,
Yes.
here you draw two levels, okay? I mean, two scenarios, we can say.
Look at
Okay, one time.
one scenario. One scenario is this. Okay.
Also, yeah, this one is a bit small, but the importance, I think, is the opening price of the new candle that we want to predict. If it opens below this level, we can easily
Yes,
goes down.
yes.
But
If the
it's open
opening is
exactly
above, then it will goes up. When the opening
yes,
is below, it will go down. This is the
more
another scenario.
powerful
Okay.
on
Yes.
a long shadow. Yeah,
Hmm.
if
Yes.
the shadow of this big candle was larger, I mean, was bigger, so the next candle, if goes down, goes, I mean, opens down, it
Yes.
goes, opens up, goes up.
Yes, 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 you are right, brother. 100% you are right. This is the trap. These small areas are the trap of the trap in the market where the trader trapping. Okay, so these are the small traps. We identify these traps, and when we trade these traps, we will understand. Yes, you are right. It means you are getting these points also. Yes. So this is same. There we got any level here, something like that. Okay, the next candlestick going up. Same candle, same trading. Whatever we read, whatever we teach from this area, same thing. Nothing any change. Okay. On the next level, look at when one thing is very clear, the other thing also cleared without any reading. This is the way when I'm talking on each and every pattern, so it gives us a time and consume the time, but at the end result is 50%. But when you understand only one point, it will cover these all points. Okay. So on the next scenarios, all the information are same, all the way are the same. Just the doji is changed. Every information is same. Okay.
Mhm.
Here, this doji we found opening price below the level, it's going down. If you find there is a level, any level above, there is a level, and it's going down. There is a level above the level is below the closing opening price. It's going up. Okay. In this way, look at going up. In this way, going down. Just analyze, just understand. These are the assumptions. These illustration are the assumption. This is the not accurate from the chart. These are just assumptions. That to understand the concept, that when we find any key level from above the opening price, from below the opening price, from how the next candle will behave. These illustration will give us an understanding about the market. Okay. So there is no any wicks in this illustration, but you can assume that maybe if there is a wick, maybe you can assume if there is a wick and this doji is reject from this wick. It's assumption. If there is a wick here, if there is a wick here, maybe there is a wick, there is a wick. This can be every type of candles. These are just assumptions. If I show just an arrow where coming from the uptrend, you cannot understand how types of these candles here. Maybe the
Yeah.
types of candle is different. So this is just assumption. Just understand this area, that how we can treat this area. Just opening price, closing price. If you find the wick on bottom, on the top, small wick, it shows the rejection here. Okay. So the next candle can goes down because these rejection shows the levels. The level are weak or strong. It's another way to diagnose these levels. But this rejection shows that the sellers are active here. It means sellers always when you come, you find this type, come this type. It means there the sellers are active. They give us the information that we are active here. So this is the way that understand these areas that everywhere buyer and sellers give us the information that we are active here. They don't hide their self. Always give us the information that we are active here. Why they give us information? If 10 sellers here in this point, the sellers pain, why this give information, little bit information about this rejection? So they say maybe 30 sellers are waiting for the right point. If we give it identification that we are here, maybe these 30 sellers come and combine with us, then we can move the price down. That's why they are giving us the information that we are active here. The sellers active, and they give the information to the another sellers which are waiting for the price, which are waiting for the area. So this is the invitation. It means this little bit information is an invitation to the another sellers. They're inviting to other sellers. We are here. Come combine with us. We can make a market down. So this is these are the small sentences in the market that they, so you can understand these things. So how they talking each other? Every when if you take example of the army or any forces, there are simple codes to talk each other, communicate each other. So these are all the sellers and buyers have different codes to talking with each other, and they are talking with these candles language. In the candles language, they can the pro buyers, traders, they can understand the information. So in this way, the same scenario, just the doji is changed. Nothing any other information in this. The way is simple. In this, everything is same, just the doji is changed. So this in this dojis, what we understand in this doji trading, okay, plus key levels, strong key levels, plus strategy in the ranging market. When you find this in the ranging market, how you can treat them, the continuation sign, the reversal sign. So every these patterns they just give us information, but we follow the market context. Without alone these candles, we can trade easily. But in the context, the meaning can be changed. How can meaning can be changed? You take an example that if you have a one English word and the meaning is different of this English word is here. If you get the alone meaning of this English word, the meaning is here, the different. But when you have a group of words, it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 to 10, you have a group of words, so that this word meaning can be changed in this sentence. This is a common, okay? So these are when these are alone, the meaning of these patterns are different, and when you find in the whole chart, maybe the meaning of this chart, this pattern can be changed. So just you understand that sentence. So sentence is the chart context. In the chart context, everything is clear. So we cannot get this alone meaning of these patterns. We get the meaning from the phrase, from the sentence. This whole is the sentence. So the example is in front of us. The wick is below. Understand?
Hmm?
The wick from this candle is below. This is the sign that the next candlestick goes down. If the wick is here, the next candlestick will goes up. But the wick is below. This is the sign the support level is here. So this candle closes the support level. It means now closes the support level. So this is the breakout happening in the market. And dojis, finding the dojis. Look at this doji. What this doji shows in this context. In this context, now we have to mean all about this sentence. That this bearish candle engulf this bullish candle, so it make a strong movement. So the meaning is a strong movement. After a strong movement, we find excitement in the sellers. The sellers make a jump from this level to this level because of the excitement, because sellers understand that when we enter here in this area, we fail. The buyers show that we are very weak. After when the buyers gave us a sign that we are weak, the next again sellers entered and make a strong candle. Now the sellers are excited. Why? Because they try here, fail, again buyers fail. Now they are very strong. This is the excitement. And the excitement, these sellers give us information that we are too much excited and make a jump here. When they make a jump here, buyers tried, goes up, But again, seller was excited. They pushed the market down again, too much down, 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 here down. But the but there was a color change area. In on the color change area, buyers push the market up and make a very neutral or very weak candle. The excitement is over. The excitement of the sellers is over now here.
Yeah.
But we follow the rules. Excitement is over, but we follow the rules because there is a too much big space. Who fill the space? Because these sellers are coming here, so these sellers will fill the gap, and we only give a one chance to the sellers. When we place a put option here, at the end, an indecision happened. This doji save us, this market, these sellers save us. Because why save us? Because all the people sell their stuff here. So, but sellers are not strong. They all the people, if the correct position on the sell on the correct position, the result will be break even. It means no profit, no loss. Now this doji save us our amount of the trading and tells a story that sellers are not interested to go down because after this candle, the next candle must be a red candle. But the doji comes when this candle, it should give us information that sellers cannot in the power, sellers cannot move down more. So this is the information that now maybe the next force can take over uh, uh, this price from here. The next candle start from here goes up and it will give a sign that now this is the sign morning star. Morning star gave us information this doji upper high is the support and resistance. After support and resistance, when the price touches this level, it goes up. This gives us a sign. But here the breakout happened. After this candle rejected from this seller's area and a breakout, weak breakout happened, the next candlestick goes down. Again, the next candlestick going down. There was the excitement that maybe this candlestick goes down, too much down. A strong candle can be appear here, but again they rejected from this level and goes up. The weak candle appeared here. Again, the next candlestick goes up. So this is the way of reading the chart. Slowly you will understand each and everything how we can read the chart. So in this sense, why this doji coming here and coming here, how the what is the information. So now look at, we clear this information also, this information. Now just understand why the doji appear here. What is the purpose of this doji here? When we find any pattern, if we say this is the engulfing, this is not a correct engulfing because of the opening price is down. This is not engulf whole the body, but the concept is clear that it look like as an engulfing candle because the closing price is below this level. So after this candle, we want a retracement from the buyers. We want a retracement from the buyers. So if the buyer's candle is weak here, this is the sign that sellers will take over the market from here. If the seller's candle is weak here, it is a sign that sellers does not want to take over the market from this level, the buyers will start from here. So here we found a doji. Doji is giving an information from the sellers that sellers are not interested here. It means buyers did not make any weak candle. If the buyers are weak, then we found this type of candle here. But in this type of candle, after this candle, we found this price. And there is a gap between the support and resistance level. And there is a support here also. And this is the combining the statement because the bearish engulfing, after bearish engulfing, we want a retracement candle. This is a doji indecision candle. So the next pattern will go move here. This is the next pattern. A morning star again appear here. This is the morning star pattern. And now after this indecision, the buyer's entered here goes up, and when we find the morning star pattern appear here, this morning star pattern, if this candle right close on this doji level, the next candlestick can goes down, but this candle is right rejected from this level, and this is the retracement candle goes down and close above the key level, the next candlestick also a doji, and the next moving up. So these doji just give us information about these sellers that the sellers are interested or not interested. If they have a power, they can make the strong and weak candles. But if they are not power, if they are not interested, they give us a doji. The doji is the last sign that seller or buyer gave us a safety that for this time we save you, next time we cannot save you. So because of the rule says, the concept said, after this candle, the next candlestick goes down. A next candlestick can be a bearish, weak bullish candle or weak bearish candle. But this doji said that these sellers are not interested. These sellers give us a message from the doji that we are not interested. Please don't follow us. Go with the buyers. This doji is also after this candle. This doji gave us information. The seller said we are not going to push market down. So this is information for you. Take over go with the buyers. We are not interested here. So this is the information. When the trend is running on and doji is coming, doji is appearing, this doji give us information that we are interested or not interested. We are interested or not interested. So the sellers and buyers give us information with this doji. So this doji is a signal from the buyers and from the sellers. When you get this signal, understand the signal. Then what the buyers and sellers giving us a message. Okay, this now you today practice about these dojis and highlight these areas, scenarios that how these dojis are working. This is a doji sign of continuation. So understand these all doji and make the notes. If there is any question about the dojis, you can give me send me, and tomorrow we will again clear. Look at this doji, just example of this doji. The range between this is the ranging market. When the price is coming on the doji level, it is acting, it is reacting. Price is right closing, opening on these levels, rejecting these levels. So this doji is working here. This is just sign. This is a doji. So if we follow these 4 lines and go in the future, these dojis will work. These dojis will work everywhere. These dojis will work every time. These work because of these ranges. We find a false breakout. The false breakout concept is coming from these dojis. False breakout, false breakout, false breakout. Market going down. False breakout. Market going down. After 2 false breakout, we will find a third true breakout. So true breakout, but there is a weakness in the sellers. This wick shows that the buyers are not interested, sellers are interested here. But the body was crossed. So one time buyers gave us a safety because the body crossed and we go for the upside. But the buyers gave us the one chance that we now this time we save you. Next time we will not continue the market. The market will going down. So this doji or when doji appearing, it means buyers and sellers give us a one chance about the saving. Save your money. Save your money and follow another force. Save your money. When doji come, it means save your money because they saved us our money and give us information that change your call option or buy option as per the movement. So we are not interested more here. So this last sign. This is the turning point of the trend. Buyers turn this information and go through. Okay, brother, this is all about the doji. And you go for the practice, make the notes, send me queries. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will start new lesson with new thinking. The 2 to 3 patterns are running in this section. So when we clear these all patterns, we will again review these all patterns. Then we go for the next advanced levels that how we can understand the market structure. Okay, brother.
Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you. I will share this recording with you when this recording will convert. Okay.
Okay, it's okay, Albert. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Okay.